Welcome to Salesforce training videos from SPTech. SPTech is Salesforce consulting services based in Atlanta, Georgia. In this module, I'm going to give you a brief demonstration about profile and permission set. So we will discuss the requirement of profiles and permission set and what are the differences between them. So if you go to the user record, so if I open any user record, so you will see a profile we need to assign to particular user. So if we talk about profile, so profile basically control what user can access and what user cannot. And you can assign at max and at min one profile to particular user, and it is compulsory, right? Without assigning a profile, you cannot create a user, right? Now, if you have assigned a profile to a user and if you want to give additional permissions to particular user, so in that case, we create permission sets. And if you want to assign permission sets, so here you can see some permission sets are already assigned. So if you click on edit assignment, so from here, you can assign additional permission sets to that user. So basically, for group of users, those are having same roles and responsibilities. So they require same permissions. So we create a common profile for those users. And from that group of user, if you want to give, if you want to add on some permissions to particular user, so in that case, we will be leveraging permission set. So if you want to create a profile, so you can search profile here and you can clone any profile, right? So let's say if I open standard user profile and if I click on clone, so I can clone this profile, right? And naming it as my demo profile. So this profile will be created and I can assign this profile to a user. If I want to control things in a profile, so here you can see I can control apps, connected apps, object settings, app permission, Apex class access, VF pages access, external data source access, name credential access, flow access, custom permission, custom metadata types, custom settings, system permission, login hour, IP ranges, service providers, session settings, password policies, default experience. So these things we can control, right? So let me give you a brief example. Like if I want to control object permission, so I just opened it and I just need to open any object. And suppose if I want to remove some permissions, so I'm just removing edit and delete access from here and I clicked on save. So now if you assign my demo profile to particular user, so that user will be able to read and create account records, but that user won't be able to edit and delete. Now suppose you assign this profile to 20 users. So those 20 users won't be able to edit and delete account records, right? Now there is a requirement like out of those 20 users, you want to give edit and delete access to any two users. So instead of modifying this profile, because if you modify this profile, so all 20 users will be having edit and delete access. And for the small purpose, you won't create new profile, right? So the solution is permission set. So what you can do, you can create a permission set. So I'm just duplicating this tab. So here I'm going to search permission set. So you can create a permission set. So initially this permission set will be blank, and as per the requirement, you can enable the checkboxes. So I just created this permission set. So here you can see all the things which are available in profile are listed here. Now, if I want to leverage those edit and delete permissions for particular users, so here this permission set is available. Initially, you can see this permission set is having no access for all the objects, right? So if you want to give edit and delete access to particular users through this permission set, so what you can do, you can click on edit and you can enable edit and delete permissions from here and you can click on save. So this way your permission set is ready to assign. And if you want to assign this permission set, so you can click on manage assignments and you can click on add assignment. Then you can select particular user to whom you want to assign that permission set and you can click on assign. So this way we have profiles and permission sets so that we can control permissions. So profile basically restrict access, and whereas permission set is basically used to open up the permissions. So this is all about profiles and permission sets. If you are based in USA and looking to start or advance your career with Salesforce, please reach out to us at hr@aspitechusa.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Salesforce training videos. Thank you.